All right, see, it looks good right there. All right, you got it. Now, lift up like you're doing a sit up. Right, there you go. Now put your hand in the back of your, there you go. No. There you go. Hold on. All right, come on. Step over it. Yeah. See, now it looks good.
The fudge. Oh. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Kim, your resident D.I.tryer and genuine lifestyling guru, self-proclaimed. Of course, if you are new here, we like to try different things from these internet streets, and I let you know if they are worth trying. While my East Coast family are enjoying being cute little snow bunnies, I'm here in Texas, stuck inside because of icy road conditions. Not that I was actually going anywhere in particular anyway. But since we're inside, I decided to D.I.try my new internet bestie's Tomato Basil Soup because it's a perfect wintry day for soup. Anyone else out there about that soup life once the cold season rolls in? Let me know in the comments what soup you're eating because I very well may want to try it. Now, here's what I like about this recipe, which I will link in the description. It's easy from start to finish to include all the ingredients. You don't have to go schlepping across the globe to buy some ingredients you barely can pronounce for your top tier dollars. And y'all already know groceries cost about as much as a good lace wig with the bust down middle part. Alright, now while I get all these goodies on the cooking sheet and prepare for roasting, if you have not already liked this video and subscribed, then baby, do your girl a favor and go and hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Because, oh yes, this is all about trying DIYs, living life genuinely, and enjoying the journey. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and share Relaunch in Color. And I thank you. Now back to our D.I.try. Now that you've handled your business by liking and subscribing to this D.I.try channel where we simply enjoy living and trying our hand at different things, let's get these veggies seasoned and roasting because baby, I am hungry. Now let's pause for the cause and pour a little something out for this leftover basil that I'm about to stick in my refrigerator and probably forget all about. This is why I need to try starting my own herb garden so that I can get the exact amount I need and not be wasteful. Now turning the page, let's get into what I think will become my new way of enjoying grilled cheese sandwiches. Hawaiian rolls cut in 3 with a serrated edge knife. Here's a tip. When cutting your bread, you might want to go ahead and freeze it because it makes your cuts cleaner and easier. Honestly, I think the hardest part about this whole recipe was probably cutting this daggum cheese. This block of cheese was oddly difficult for me to cut. Don't know why, not trying to figure out why, but all I know is I didn't like it. Now, while I cut this cheese, I'm going to go ahead and ask you one more time. Did you like this video? Did you hit that thumbs up? Have you subscribed to the channel where we try and genuine lifestyling is given? It's free and it doesn't cost you a thing, so go on and handle your business. Now that the veggies have roasted, it's time to puree them. This little ninja puree machine is the best, and I'll link it in the description. I'll also link what I think is an inexpensive emulsifier that can work as an alternative option to my ninja pureer. Now, because of the size of my pureer, I did have to do this in small batches. This is where it got a little dicey, but it's also the biggest reason I prefer prepping right next to my sink because I clean as I go and I also make unexpected messes and prefer to slide all that right into the sink. And because it seems like I was not satisfied with the first mess, I decided to go ahead and make a second mess. Really, Kim? Really? Y'all, please don't judge me. Now that we've gotten this area all cleaned up of my mess, let's get into this pot, honey, because it is looking good. I kept my tomato soup on the chunkier side for texture purposes. Let's get these mini grilled cheese sandwiches made and plate this thing up. Ooh, wee! Look at this tomato soup and grilled cheese on this cozy, cold, windy winter day here in Texas. This recipe gets 4 out of 5 hammers, and here's my review. Okay, y'all, let's see how we did with our tomato basil soup. Got my little tiny, cute grilled cheese sandwiches. Hold on, let me taste that. I can dig it. Now let's see what was hitting on with the soup. It's okay. I'm still not a tomato soup kind of girl. We're gonna have to find out from the teeny Bible.
Damn it.
For real. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Okay, Angie, you make me sick. You get over it.
It is so good. Delicious.
Y'all just go ahead, like, and subscribe because I promise you, this little girl works my nerves in a loving way.